Before this, I never get an opportunity to visit such kind of industrial visit. This was my first experience, and I think it was fantastic. As per the expectation, the institutes had fulfilled everything, and as I came in the Bajaj, I got an opportunity, and over here I have seen the many new things which I have never seen in my life, and I think that everyone should get this opportunity of industrial visit. They can get the many knowledge related to the production and non-production area, which going to help them surely in their further career. Or I really enjoyed. I make some new friends. I came into contact with such a long journey. We had a great antakshari and everything. This is just part of the enjoyment, and about the knowledge-wise, we got everything from, as I said, that from practical to the non-practical area, and related to the HR, to the manufacturing, to the production, everything. They had makes us understand from the basics where the work gets start until it get deal with the customers. So they had explained from the top to the bottom. This should be the part of the distance learning, because the distance learning, student never used to attend the lectures, so they always used to miss the examples. So this kind of the visit surely going to help them with their queries, which having that whatever they are learning at home, they'll clarify with you only. So I think this should happen 3 in a month, which happening, and I really wish it should go on. I think I have joined the best institute, and I'm very happy and really want to recognize this as a best institute in a B school.